Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tom from Learning on the Fly with you guys. Today, we're going to be building us a balance bike holder. So a while back, my son got this balance bike for his birthday, and it's a great little balance bike, but you can see one of the problems that comes with it is it doesn't come with a kickstand. Obviously, it's a balance bike, so it's not supposed to. So, I'm going to attempt today to build a holder so that this doesn't keep happening. Now, to start with, I'm not a professional builder, so we're just kind of winging it today. But I've got some old 2x4s over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to cut these down a little bit. So I'm going to start by measuring out my 2x4s. I think I'm going to cut them at 16 inches. And I'm going to cut 2 of these. There's one. There's 2. So the 2 pieces I cut, as you can see, they're going to go on the bottom here. Now all I have to do is build some sides, and hopefully it'll hold this whole thing together. So I have these short little extra pieces. I'm thinking what I might do is I might cut 2 of those, put one on the back and one on the front, just to kind of hold the whole frame together. Alright, so great life lesson here at Learning on the Fly. So I didn't pre-drill my holes with my little cross ones, and as you can see, the wood split. So on my other set I just did, I actually pre-drilled the holes on here, and it works so much better. Check it out. So still split the wood a little bit, but not as bad as we done the other one. Alright, so now we're going to set it on the ground. We're going to build our crosses to brace it, to hold it up. So I've got my frame built for it, but as you can see, it's still going to tip over easily. That's because we need to build some braces up to go across it. So we're going to measure it, and we're going to cut boards, and what we're going to do is we're going to set them upright and screw them into the bottom of it. So I measured the bottom of my frame on my inside, and my boards need to be 14 inches. Yours might be cut differently, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them, and when I put them in the frame, I'm going to put them upright and screw them in, and hopefully this will help keep the balance bike from falling over. So we're going to cut ours at, you know what, I think I'm going to cut it a little bit short. I'm going to cut it at 13 3/4, and we'll see if it fits in there. If not, we'll just cut it down some more. One more. That's 2. So, all we have to do now, these are our cross ones, and you can see they do fit inside. So I'm going to try to screw them in here, and hopefully that'll be enough to keep the little balance bike from falling over. Alright, we got both sides screwed together. Time to take it over and see how it works. Alright, moment of truth. Let's check out how we did. Ta-da! Obviously, it's still going to lean a little bit. I probably could have moved it over a little bit. If I want to, I could actually loosen these up, move them over. I might do that here in a little bit, but as for now, we got ourselves a balance bike holder. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And check us out for all of our videos. This is Tom from Learning on the Fly with 2 guys.